To fix the F04 error on a washing machine, it's essential to understand what the code indicates. The F04 error is a sign of a problem with drainage. This issue can be caused by a clogged drain motor filter or a blocked water hose. To resolve the error, start by cleaning the machine's drain motor filter. Begin by switching off the washing machine and having a towel or water receptacle ready to soak up any water that may leak out during the cleaning process. Locate the drain motor filter. Inspect it for blockages from lint, debris, or other foreign objects, and clean it accordingly. Once the filter is clean, switch the machine back on and check if the F04 error is resolved. If the issue persists, inspect the machine's water hose. Switch off the machine and locate the hose at the back, connected to the main water supply. Ensure the hose is securely connected to both the supply and the washing machine. Check the hose for any blockages from debris. If debris is present, disconnect the hose and run water through it to clean it out. Reconnect the hose to the machine and resume using it normally. If the F04 error still appears after attempting these solutions, it's recommended to contact a home appliance service for further assistance.